Hi, friends and colleagues. It's a privilege to share my thoughts and gratitude to VDMA. I joined Hazemag Allmineral in October last year, but my association with VDMA goes back much further through my earlier role with Takraf. Over the years, I have witnessed how VDMA has consistently contributed to the growth of the Indian industry by bridging the German technology with Indian innovation. Since the amalgamation of Hazemag Allmineral in 2020, our interaction with VDMA has only grown stronger. Being featured in Industry Navigator has given our organization valuable visibility among key industry stakeholders. It provided a powerful platform to showcase Hazemag's technology in India while also allowing us to contribute our insights to the larger industry dialogue. This collaboration has strengthened our credibility across sectors such as cement and other minerals. In fact, we secured significant orders for coal washeries, reinforcing our position as a global brand with a strong Indian presence. Today, we proudly manufacture all of our coal washery equipment indigenously, living the spirit of Make in India. Engaging with VDMA and featuring in the Industry Navigator has not only opened doors for meaningful projects, but also enriched us with fresh perspectives and new ideas. The thought provoking insights from German industry leaders featured in the publication have been truly inspiring, fostering deeper collaboration. I sincerely thank VDMA for this opportunity. This experience motivates us to keep innovating, to keep contributing, and to continue sharing our journey with the wider industry.